Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'll tell you how to use Face ID to install apps from the App Store. Enhance your iOS experience by using Face ID to effortlessly install apps from the App Store. This video guides you through the simple process of enabling Face ID for app installation, a feature that not only streamlines your downloads but say goodbye to the repetitive task of entering your Apple ID password every time you want a new app. We will show you how to adjust your settings to make app purchases with just a glance, combining convenience with advanced security technology. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is setting up Face ID for App Store and iTunes purchases. Activating Face ID for convenient app downloads. Face ID, Apple's facial recognition feature, not only unlocks your iPhone or iPad but also streamlines app installation and app purchases. It's a quick and secure alternative to manually typing your Apple ID password for every new app or purchase. For this, open the Settings app on your iOS device. Scroll until you find the Face ID and passcode option and tap on it. You will be prompted to enter your device passcode. In the Face ID and passcode settings, look for the Use Face ID for section. Ensure the toggle next to iTunes and App Store is turned on. If not, switch it on. By enabling Face ID for the App Store and iTunes, you simplify the process of acquiring new apps and content, making your experience both seamless and secure. This feature is especially helpful for those who frequently explore and download new apps. And you are done. And the next step is adjusting iPhone screen time for app downloads. To streamline app installation using Face ID, it's essential to adjust your iPhone screen time settings. This involves modifying content and privacy restriction to enhance ease of use. For this, go to Settings. From the main menu in Settings, scroll to find the screen time and tap on it. In Screen Time, navigate to Content and Privacy Restrictions. Tap on it. Ensure this option is switched on. Then go to iTunes and App Store purchases. Under Required Passwords, select the Don't Required option. The default setting usually requires a password for every purchase, and you are done. After adjusting these settings, close the App Store if it's open in the background. Then reopen it. When you download an app, your iPhone will prompt you to double tap power button. This initiates Face ID for a quick and secure app installation. By configuring these settings, you enhance your iPhone's functionality, making app installation via the App Store faster and more convenient without compromising on security. And you are done. I hope these solutions will fix your issue of how to use Face ID to install apps from the App Store. And also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.